hits you. The retro theme is very strong here. It reminds you of old-school gaming consoles, but with a clean and modern twist, and when you start using it, that experience continues. The typing feel is solid, responsive, and satisfying whether you're gaming, working, or just casually typing. It's not just about how it looks anymore. It actually delivers in performance as well. And that's really the key takeaway here. This keyboard isn't trying to be just one thing. It's not just about performance, and it's not just about looks. It sits right in the middle, giving you both. So whether you're someone who appreciates that retro-inspired design, or you just want something that stands out on your desk while still being practical, this keyboard definitely delivers on both ends. Now moving on to the top left section of the keyboard. This is where things get interesting because you actually get multiple connection modes built into one keyboard. You have a switch here that lets you choose between Bluetooth mode, which is great for wireless convenience in connecting to laptops or tablets, wired mode, which gives you the most stable connection possible, and 2.4 GHz wireless using the USB dongle, which is actually the best option if you want low latency, especially for gaming or fast typing. So basically, you're not locked into just one setup. You can switch depending on what you're doing: work, gaming, or even just casual use. The 8Bitdo Retro 108 mechanical keyboard isn't just another modern keyboard, it's actually a product built around nostalgia. 8Bitdo, the company behind this keyboard, is well known for creating accessories inspired by classic gaming consoles, especially from the 80s and 90s. If you've seen their controllers before, you'll notice the same design language carried over here. But it's not just about looks. This keyboard was designed to bridge the gap between old-school gaming culture and modern-day functionality, combining mechanical switches, wireless connectivity, and customization features with a design that feels straight out of a retro gaming era. So first, we also get some additional items like stickers that can be used for your external big button key, which I will show you later on. You have a variety of stickers that you can use. Depends on the assigned functionality of the button that you have chosen. We have the USB cable for wired mode. It's nothing overly fancy, but it feels durable enough for daily use. 8Bitdo also added these extra large retro-style buttons, which are clearly inspired by classic gaming controllers. The big button accessories that come with the keyboard are actually programmable, but they don't work like normal keys out of the box. You need to assign them using 8Bitdo software. The big buttons that come with the 8Bitdo